how to watch over your corporate investments. If you're an investor or if you're involved in a company, one of the things you're probably interested in is watching over your investment. What's happening to that company you own? Well, you probably have certain rights to books and records under both the applicable law, whether it's your LLC Act or Corporate Act or whatever the case is. You probably have some very basic rights to access the books and records. You might have some access rights within shareholder agreements or LLC agreements. But what you really want to do is negotiate with the company as you're making the investment so that you can stay involved. You can see the financials, you can get updates, you can understand where the company's going, what it's doing. Some investors want periodic reports, perhaps weekly reports as part of their investments. That's all things you can negotiate up front. What you want to think about is really having a plan. What are you doing with the investment? How hands-on are you going to be? If you're going to be totally passive, you probably don't need as much information. But if you're going to be hands-on, you want to make sure that company succeeds, you probably want more information. So you want to negotiate for that up front. You don't want to necessarily just rely on that state law and hope that you get access to books and records. You really want to put down what you're expecting, what you think you can get, and really get it in writing between you and the company. Think about your plan. Plan to monitor your investment as part of it. Also, as an aside, think about transfer provisions and how you can sell your investment early in the process. Investments in private companies tend to be illiquid. So if you're doing that kind of investment, you want to think about your liquidity plan sooner than later. May have another video of that coming up. Speaking of which, if you have general questions, things you might want covered in future videos, go ahead and drop them below. Obviously, we can't give legal advice. There's no attorney-client relationship here, and it's not confidential, so don't put anything there you don't want other people seeing. But I do love your questions and ideas. Sometimes it prompts another video, so do drop them below. And I hope you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you for another video soon.